Today, we'll learn how to generate a magic square in Java for any odd number. A magic square, if you don't know, is a grid where the sum of every row, column, and diagonal is the same. So in this code, the logic that we're using is called the Siamese method. So what we do is, we just start by placing 1 in the middle of the top row and then keep moving up diagonally. If the position goes out of the grid, we wrap it around the other side, and if it's in the spot and it's already filled, we move it to a step down instead. So right here you can see you have n equals to 3 right here, and we have put an array which is a new array which is 2. And now what we have done is we have again created another number that is 1 for a while loop. And now once that is done, by repeating this for all numbers up to n squared, the magic square is created. For example, if n equals to 3 right here, the sum of each row, the column, and the diagonal will be 15. This approach works perfectly for odd sized squares. So I'm just going to print it out right here, and as you can see, our magic square has been created. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.